Well, let's find the unknowns in the function where we have its domain given to us. This is the function, right? The unknowns are a and b. Now, let's see what is given to us. It says that the function f of 2, so this x becomes 2 in this case, the function of 2 is equal to minus 3 and the f of minus 1 is equal to 0. You've been given two domains, the value of the function at two domains. One is minus 3 when the domain is 2 and one is 0 when the domain is negative 1. We have to find a and b, right? So let's see. Well, first of all, let's see what happens when we plug in x is equal to 2 in this function, right? So f of 2 is equal to 2 cubed because this x is replaced with a 2. This x is also replaced with a 2, so that becomes, instead of a into x squared, that becomes a into 2 squared. This x is also replaced with negative 2, so instead of b into x, that becomes b into 2. This one is a constant, so it remains as it is, so that is just left as it is. Now, once you evaluate this, you get 9 minus 4a plus 2b. So f of 2 is equal to 9 minus 4a plus 2b. Now let's see what happens when you find f of negative 1. Plug in x is equal to negative 1 in the function now. So instead of x cubed, well, remember the original function, that was f of x is equal to x cubed minus ax squared plus bx plus 1. So instead of x cubed, you have negative 1 cubed. Instead of ax squared, you have a into negative 1 squared. Instead of bx, you have b into negative 1. And this constant is as it is. So f of negative 1 gives you minus a minus b. Now, remember, let's look at f of 2 first. We found f of 2 earlier, right? That was equal to 9 minus 4a plus 2b. And the actual end value of f of 2 is equal to minus 3 that was given to us in the original question. So 9 minus 4a plus 2b is equal to negative 3. So once you simplify this, well, just take this 9 to the right hand side. So minus 3 minus 9 on the right hand side and minus 4a plus 2b on the left hand side. Minus 3 minus 9 gives you minus 12. And take 2 common on the left hand side. So that becomes minus 2 into 2a minus b. Fairly simple. Take this negative 2 to the right hand side. So negative 12 divided by negative 2. That gives you 6. So 2a minus b is equal to 6. Now let's do the same procedure for f of negative 1. F of negative 1 gave you minus a minus b, and f of negative 1 is equal to 0, as is in the original question. So equate minus a minus b equal to 0. So minus a is equal to b, and now multiply both sides with negative 1, right? And so a is equal to negative b. Now plug in this value of a, which is equal to negative b, in place of this a, right? And so you get 2 into negative b minus b is equal to 6. So minus 2b minus b is equal to 6. So minus 3b is equal to 6. Take this negative 3 to the right hand side and divide it. So 6 over negative 3 is equal to negative 2. Now that you have this value of b, put it into the equation that we found earlier, which said that a is equal to negative b, right? So instead of this b, plug in negative 2. So a is equal to minus negative 2. And that gives you a is equal to 2. So we've now found the value of b, which is negative 2, and the value of a, which is 2, right? So we've now found the two unknowns. If in the original question it had a third unknown, c, you'd need 3 values of f at 3 different domains, right? And so on and so forth.